the wait is over. The all-new 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is purpose-built for adventure, loaded with off-road upgrades, and ready to take you beyond the pavement. Toyota has redefined the Tacoma for overland enthusiasts with an aggressive new look and serious off-road capability. The Trailhunter trim stands out with its bold front-end design, integrated LED light bar, and exclusive bronze-colored accents. Under the hood, the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter is powered by Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. Paired with the multi-link rear suspension, this truck offers enhanced stability and control on tough terrain. Built for the wild, the Trailhunter comes equipped with ARB Old Man Emu suspension, heavy-duty skid plates, and 33-inch all-terrain tires. With Toyota's multi-terrain select and crawl control, they'll conquer any obstacle in your path. Inside, the Tacoma Trailhunter combines comfort with function, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system, premium materials, and plenty of storage for your gear. In the bed, you'll find a built-in air compressor, 2,400 watts power inverter, and optional rooftop tent compatibility, making this truck an overlander's dream. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is more than just a truck, it's a ticket to adventure. Rugged, capable, and built to explore. Are you ready to take on the wild? Subscribe for more updates, adventure-ready builds. Drop a comment below. Where would you take the new Trailhunter first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more off-road content.